Alright, so I've decided to use 3 times 3, and I think we're going to use we're going to use 4 and 5. We'll use that one. And so 4 times 5 has got to be 20, or a negative 20. So one of these is going to have to be minus. Alright, so let's check this. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times 5 is 15x. Negative 4 times 3x is going to be negative 12x. And negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. And so 15 minus 12 is going to end up being just 3x. So as you can see, it will be 9x squared plus 3x minus 20 after we simplify this down. Alright. We have 2x plus 1 times 3x minus 7. And once again, I've given you the answer. So let's first start with the problem. Getting ahead of myself. 6x squared minus 11x minus 7. And we want to factor this. Now, the numbers are multiplied together. Let's see, are 1 and 6, 2 and 3. And then for 7, it's just going to be a 1 times 7. So I'm going to give you a hint here. We're going to use the 2 and 3. And we're going to end up using the plus 1 and the minus 7. Okay, so we multiply this out and we should get back our original here. 2x times 3x is 6x squared. 2x times the negative 7 here is going to be negative 14x plus 3x, and then 1 times negative 7 is just negative 7, and so negative 14 plus 3 is going to be the negative 11x. Alright, let's look at a little bit more difficult one. Man, that gets in my nerves. Alright, 20x cubed minus 42x squared minus 20x. So let's factor this. Now, we have an x in each one of these terms, so we're going to pull an x out. We also have a 2 goes into 20, 2 goes into 42, and 2 goes into this 20. So I'm going to factor out a 2 and an x. Okay, so we're going to pull out a 2x, and so we're going to be left with 10x squared minus 21x minus 10. Now we're going to go ahead and factor this out right here. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite 2x times. So the numbers that multiply together gives us 10 is either 2 and 5, or I should say 1 and 10. 1 and 10, 2 times 5 gives us 10. And then this number here is going to end up being 2 and 5, or also 1 and 10. Alright.